Hello everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Aoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to solve this kind of issue. Your cart is currently empty on your Woocommerce WordPress website. So I'm currently facing this kind of issue. Now I'm going to show you what you can do to rectify something like this. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your WooCommerce plugin, click on status, and then try to look for anywhere where your where you see red something like this. So as you can see, we check all my status, everything is okay, it's fine apart from these two. And the problem is that my theme is not compatible with the checkout, payment, and the thank you.php file. So how can you rectify this? The first thing you have to do is to come to my file manager here, and so this is my file manager. I'm going to open this again in a new tab so for us to see. So this is my file manager, this is my website, and now if you open this wp.content, you see the plugins and the themes. So the plugins is where you find the WordPress theme plugin. So if I scroll down, you see the WordPress. If you open it, then we open the template. Now the error which I'm getting here is under this checkout and the thank you, the checkout payment and the thank you. So coming back here, I can open the checkout. So these are the checkout files. So all you have to do is to upload all these files in the theme folder. So we have to replace everything here. So and that is what you have to do. Then you also need to do the same thing for the thank you page and the thank you.php as well. So to do that, you just have to, you can select all here, download everything. So I already have everything downloaded. Then come back to WP content, click on open the themes. So this is the current theme which I'm using. I'll open it up, open the WooCommerce, then here you find the checkout. Then I have already replaced everything. So here you have to replace everything. To replace, just click on upload, then to take you to this page, then start selecting the files. So these are all the latest WooCommerce files. So I have to upload everything one after the other. So when you upload it to look like this, I've uploaded everything. So that is why you can see everything here. But now I'm going to, so everything is uploaded. So now I can try to reload this page and let's see if the error is still going to show. So I'm going to scroll down. So the error is still showing for some reasons. So now what you can do is I think I need to check the thank you page as well. Or for now, let's check if the page is going to work. So I'm going to click on shop again, click on add to cart, click on view cart. So the cart, then proceed to checkout. So I'm having the issue on my checkout page. So the issue is still not rectified. So how can we go about solving this issue once and for all? Now that the issue is still persisting, so what we can do here is going back to this status here, the required compatible WooCommerce payment.php and thank you.php. For the payment, I need a version of 7.8.0 with the current theme file I'm using, and for the thank you I need a version of 3.7.0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google here and then search for download WooCommerce 7.8.0. I will leave the link in the description of the video as well. So developer.woocommerce.com/releases. So this is the version 7.8.0 which was released on this date. So I decided to download the folder, and then so here is the download folder. Then I unzip it. Now opening the folder up here. So this is the folder here. I can open the template and the payment. You can look for the payment. Where is the payment here? Okay, let's check. Click on checkout. The payment should be here. Okay, so this is the payment.php. So going back here, the payment.php is the issue we are having. Now I can right click on it, then open with my Visual Studio Code. So this is the code for the payment.php. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the source code here, go back to my file manager. So I'm going to right click on my payment.php, click on edit, then I'm going to delete everything here and then paste this here and then click on save changes. Then I'm going to do the same for the thankyou.php as well, which is the thankyou.php requires the version 3.7.0. So I can backdate it as well. So I can look for version 3.7.0. So that's an old version actually. So I'm going to click on zip, download this, and then I'm going to unzip it. Okay, so I will open this up, click on templates, click on checkout the thankyou.php. Then I'm going to open with Visual Studio Code. Then I'm going to copy this here, everything. I'm going to copy it, go back to my file manager here, open the thankyou.php. Then I'm going to delete all the code here, paste the new one here, then click on save changes. Now let's go back to our Woocommerce, and I'm going to reload this. Hopefully this should fix issue. So let's check it out. So I guess it's still giving me the same issue. So but let's check on the website and let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to click on shop, click on add to cart, click on view cart, then proceed to checkout, and guess I'm still having the same issue. Okay, so now after you've done all those and the issue still persists, so what you can do is to make sure you update your theme file. So what I did here was to go to my appearance, click on themes, then I had to like update my theme file, both the child and the parent theme of this theme which I'm currently using. So once I'm done with that, then I come back here to the Woocommerce, click on status. So hopefully the issue should be rectified. So everything It's looking good. Everything is looking good, and I think, yeah, so everything is working perfectly now, and I think it's compatible. So if we should go and check our website, the checkout page and everything should work. It should work. If I click on shop, click on add to cart, click on view cart, proceed to checkout. So let's check this documentation. Okay, so update WordPress and WooCommerce, that is done. Yeah, we have the latest WordPress. So if we should check our dashboard, okay, I guess there are some updates here. So let's see. The version is compatible. Okay, no errors here. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's check this update here. Okay, this is the current version. You have the latest version of WordPress. I don't really need to update this. I don't really have to update this as well. So I guess that is working. Temporary disable all plugins except Woocommerce. So okay, let's try that approach. Go to plugins. So I'm going to disable. Currently, I think I'm having like 32 plugins. I'm actually not using some of it. Some of them, which I think I may have to remove some of them. But let's disable everything first. So I'm going to apart from WooCommerce. So I'm going to deactivate all of them. I'm going to test it out. Okay, so I think it's disabling it. Okay, so I've disabled all my plugins except Woocommerce. So let's check the website. Let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, so we click on shop. It's not showing anything, but we can actually come to the product tab here. Then I can click on view. So let's open this in a new tab. Okay, add to cart. Proceed to checkout. So now you can see that it's working. It is working. My checkout page is working. That means some of the plugins, I guess one of the plugins is the is what's causing this error for me. That is why the checkout page was not working even after all the solutions and the quick fix that we've done so far. So as you can see, my checkout page is actually working perfectly. So, and in fact, let's even try it out. So I'm going to change this to Nigeria. So I'm going to add just some dummy test here. and let's click on our feed place order. So invalid payment method. So I guess the payment method is currently not active. So but as you can see here, is working. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back to my plugins and then start installing it one after the other to know which one is actually causing the issue. No, Elementor should not give me that kind of issue. So I'm going to activate Elementor. I'm going to activate Elementor. So I'm going to come back here and reload it, the checkout page. So Elementor is not the plugin giving us the issue. Then I'm going to activate lamp press. Yeah, so I'm going to activate lamp press. Let's see what's going to happen. So I'm going to reload this. Now you can see lamp press is the one causing the issue. Now I'm going to deactivate lamp press again. Let's see if the checkout page will work. So I'm going to reload it, and as you can see, the checkout page is working. So somehow the lamp press plugin is conflicting with the Woocommerce checkout page. So I don't know why. I think I have to figure this out myself. But right now you can see this is these are the approach which you can go about fixing this kind of issue if you are unable to check out on your WordPress Woocommerce website. So or if it's showing you that your Woocommerce there is nothing in your cart, meanwhile you've already added something to your cart. So the first approach is to make sure that you update your theme file to the latest correct version. Then second thing is go to the Woocommerce, check the status page and look for make sure everything is in green. You have to ensure that there are no issues here on your status Woocommerce status page. Then if you've done that and it's still not working, then I suggest to go and check the plugins. So go over these plugins, deactivate everything and start activating it one after the other. So you test run everything and see if that is going to solve your issue. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If you learned one or two things, if this video has been helpful or if you've learned something, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.